In this video, we are going to see how we can record the cash withdrawn by director for personal use in Delhi. So this transaction is of 31st of January. From the gateway of Delhi, I'll just click on vouchers, and on our right, we have different areas. I'll simply go to journal because this is all related to journal. If you see to or by format, we need to configure that from the bottom right. Click on the bottom right and use debit credit instead of to by entry. I'll just change this to yes if you see to by entry. Control A, and now we can see the proper form. Now the entry will be very simple: drawings debit and cash credit. So alternate C to create a drawings account. I'll just select drawings. Since this is related to capital, I'll choose capital, but if I have the drawings option, might choose that as well, but I don't have this. So capital account is fine because this is negative capital. This is drawings, which reduces the capital. So hit enter, 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 and accept. We can simply press Control A as well to quickly set it up. 45,000 is the amount. Credit, I'll credit cash and 45,000 automatically mentioned. Just copy and paste this narration right here and press Control A. Make sure the date and everything is fine. Press Control A, and this is how we can record the cash withdrawn by director for personal use in Delhi Prime. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.